Hello guys, this is AB once more again on your way at AB Math Education. Today we are looking at the composite function. This is a big deal for most of our students. Just a normal substitution, then they are freaking out a little bit. So I'm going to do this video to address all that. And even as you're going to the SAT, this is not going to be just only one composition. It's going to be multiples of compositions, so you have to know how to do this, and that is all about the video. We're giving you the secret and the right way of doing it so that you will get all your 800 points for SAT mathematics. Okay, so we have been given f of x is equals to root of 2x squared minus 1, and they want us to find f of and f of and f of 2. So how are we going to go about this? This one, the whole of this one, you have to know your f. This one means that x is equals to 2. That means wherever you see x in the given function, you're just going to replace it with 2. That's the meaning of that. So let's go ahead and do that. F of, so here it's going to be root 2 times 2 squared minus 1. It's going to be 4. 4 times that is going to be 8, and then 8 minus 1 is going to be root 7. So now again, wherever we see x, we're going to replace it with the square root of what? 7. So we have f of, and then here it's going to be 2, and the x here is just going to be root of 7 all squared minus 1. Square root of 7 squared will just get this one away, and then 7 times 2 is going to be 14. 14 minus 1 will be root of 13. So we get root of 13. Now we're going to do the final substitution. So wherever we see x, we are going to replace it with the square root of 13, and that's going to be our final evaluation here. So the meaning of this is mean f of x is equals to root of 13. So as we put it in there, it's just going to be 2 times root 13 squared minus 1. And this will get away all of this. So 2 times 13 minus 1, which is going to be 26 minus 1, which is going to be root 25. Root 25 is 5. So the answer will be D. Let's look at one more. So we can do it. If taking all along is going to be a big deal for you for this question, you can do it one by one. So f of, here wherever we see x, we are replacing it with 5 for the f here. So we get 625 minus 5 squared. That gives us f of square root of 600. Because this is going to be 25. 25 minus that will be that. And then finally we are plugging it back again into that. And when we do, we will get root of 25 minus root of 6 all squared. That will be 625 minus 600. Because this will just get rid of that, and that's going to be root of 25. So here it's going to be root 25. So for the f of 5, we got this. Then g of g5 is going to be, wherever we see x in the G, we are putting 5. So that would be 225 minus 5 squared, and that will be 25. 25 minus that will be root 200. And we plug it back again. And that was going to be 225 minus root 200 all squared. That will be, this will get rid of that, so it's going to be 225 minus 200, and that will give us root 25. So finally, as finding our f of f minus of 5 is just going to be root 25 minus root 25, and that's 0. And that gives us A as an option. So guys, yes, this composite, just flow with it. It's just a process. You're inputting and then you're getting the output. You process it out and then the results will be reviewed. It's just a fun doing it. Thank you for sticking with me to the end. Please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so, and see you in the next video. Be blessed. Bye bye.